Kimchi can help with allergies, influenza, and viruses. Because kimchi is a fermented powerhouse, it's a fantastic boost to your immune system. Thanks to the friendly lactic acid bacteria, or LAB, kimchi helps increase immune globulin A in your intestines. It's like giving your gut a special immunity upgrade. This boost helps your body produce more immune globulin G and interferon gamma. Think of these as your body's internal defense team, working to fight off viruses and also helping your body to cope with allergens more effectively. The study from Korea and Malaysia also found that kimchi probiotics might be a helpful alternative to antibiotics. And there's something exciting. Some hospitals in Korea are already using these probiotics to assist patients with respiratory issues. So if you're looking to add a little zing to your health routine and boost your vitality, kimchi could be a delicious option. And if you don't like the taste, there are some producers that don't include as much chili. And as another option, check out my video about kimchi juice nasal treatment.